Hey guys, I'm on here, and we got an unboxing and review of the Incase Slim Sleeve MacBook Air / MacBook Pro sleeve, and these are my thoughts. Let's get into it. So this is the packaging. Comes in a nice cardboard sleeve holder. It says Incase Slim Sleeve in 1X, and it's for the MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro, MacBook Pro Retina, and MacBook Air. The new one with USB-C. That's actually what I use this for. Let's take it out quickly. It's a 13-inch, and I'll show you how well it fits. And it's 1X material, which is really nice. It's soft. I'll get more detail on that. I'll show you the packaging. There's that. Just hold the sleeve, nothing really. Got a little tab right there. And on the back, it says Incase Slim Sleeve, and this talks about it. It says complete protection, blah blah. Sides, it says 13-inch, and Incase, exact same thing on this side. So that's pretty much the packaging. Just gonna put that over there, and here's the sleeve. So overview of the sleeve. Like I said, made out of nice 1X material. Pretty soft to the touch. Kind of makes an irritating noise when you go like that. On the tag here, get in focus, that'd be nice. The little Incase logo on the tag. It's nice. Here, it's got little zipper. So that's nice. So it does not have the magnetic latch like some of the previous did. So I had for my old MacBook Air with the silver bezels, I had one of those. So it does not fit, like it'll fit inside it, but it's just way too big. Here's the inside. You probably can't see it because it's black, but I'll show you the tag here. This is the tag. This is Incase, established 1997, designed in California. It's nice. It's got real nice material on the inside. I don't think you guys can see it. It's all black, but it's really nice, soft, furry material. And it's pretty slim. That's one of the things I look for when I'm buying a sleeve is thinness. So you can see it's pretty thin. It's stitched together here. But it's held up. I've used it for about 2 months right now, and I'll show you my MacBook Air. So this is the MacBook Air that I use, USB-C, and if we put this here, let's move this out of the way. You see this? It's about the same size. I'll try and get you. It's about the same size. Well, yeah, it looks pretty good. And so we see it from the side. What it looks like. On the side. And yeah, it fits pretty well. So overall, I think this is a really good sleeve. And just to show you here, the fit of my MacBook Air. Just open it up here. It fits pretty well. As you guys can see, there's not that much of a gap here. There's just barely enough to stick my finger in. Not even. It's like this, barely that much. So it fits very well. You can see here, definitely not that much gap at all, and it fits pretty well. Doesn't really slide secure, but I think this is a really good sleeve. It's 1X, it's protective. I have not really dropped this, but it's been in my backpack at school, and it's been banged around a little bit, and no scratches. So yeah, I think this is a really good purchase. I'll have the product link in my description if you want to help support the channel. Buy that from my link. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on my my MacBook Air right here, 13-inch. But yeah, let me know. Otherwise, my AirPods Pro video is coming, and I should have a couple more videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.